Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dive deep into the world of tech and gadgets. Today, we have an exciting product to talk about. The Raspberry Pi 4 Model B, the latest iteration of this incredible mini-computer. If you're into DIY projects, robotics, or just want a compact, powerful computer, you've come to the right place. Stick around, and we'll explore all the amazing features of this tiny but mighty device. First up, let's talk about the heart of this beast. The Raspberry Pi 4 Model B is powered by the Broadcom BCM2711, a quad-core Cortex-A72 64-bit Society clocked at a whopping 1.5 GHz. That's some serious processing power packed into this tiny board. It's like having a mini supercomputer in the palm of your hand. But that's not all. The Pi 4 Model B comes with 4 GB of LPDDR4 2400 SDRAM, ensuring smooth multitasking and speedy performance. Whether you're running complex computations or just browsing the web, this mini PC can handle it with ease. Now, let's talk connectivity. This Raspberry Pi supports dual-band 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz IEEE 802.11b per gram NAC wireless LAN and Bluetooth 5.0. Whether you're connecting to your home network or pairing with Bluetooth devices, this Pi has you covered. And with the inclusion of USB 3.0 ports, transferring data is lightning fast. If you're a fan of high-resolution displays, you're in for a treat. The Pi 4 Model B boasts dual display support with 2 micro HDMI ports that can handle resolutions up to 4K at 60 frames per second. This makes it perfect for creating media centers, digital signage, or even a home theater system. And let's not forget about its versatility. With 2-lane MIPI DSI, CSI ports, you can connect cameras and displays for all sorts of projects, from surveillance systems to portable gaming consoles. Now, one of the standout features of the Raspberry Pi 4 Model B is its PoE capability. With a separate PoE hat add-on, you can power this mini-computer through Ethernet, opening up a world of possibilities for remote and industrial applications. But what's truly impressive is that all this power comes in a familiar form factor. If you've used Raspberry Pi before, you can seamlessly upgrade to the Pi 4 and still enjoy backward compatibility. Your old projects will work flawlessly on this new hardware. In conclusion, the Raspberry Pi 4 Model B is a game-changer in the world of mini-computers. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a DIY hobbyist, or a professional looking for an affordable and versatile solution, this tiny device has you covered. That's it for today's episode of Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more in-depth reviews of tech products, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. And as always, drop your comments down below. Are you excited about the Raspberry Pi 4 Model B? Let us know. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.